Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The reactivity of carbonyl compounds towards nucleophilic addition, such as Grignard reagents, depends on two factors: 1. Steric hindrance at the carbonyl carbon, and 2. Electronic effects, electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon. Step 1. Identify the carbonyl compounds. Compound I acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, aldehyde with 1 methyl group and 1 H on the carbonyl carbon. Compound 2 formaldehyde, HCHO, aldehyde with 2 H atoms on the carbonyl carbon, least hindered. Compound 3 acetophenone, CH3COC6H5, ketone with a methyl group and a phenyl group on the carbonyl carbon. Step 2. Steric considerations. Formaldehyde 2 has no substituents other than H on both sides of the carbonyl carbon, least steric hindrance, most reactive. Acetaldehyde I has 1 CH3 group, moderate steric hindrance, moderately reactive. Acetophenone 3 has 1 CH3 and 1 bulky C6H5 group, most steric hindrance, least reactive. Step 3. Electronic considerations. In ketones, 2 alkyl aryl groups donate electron density to the carbonyl carbon, reducing its electrophilicity. In acetophenone, the phenyl ring provides additional resonance stabilization, conjugation with C is equal to O, further reducing the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon compared to simple aldehydes. Formaldehyde has no electron-donating groups, making its carbonyl carbon the most electrophilic. Acetaldehyde has 1 electron-donating methyl group, making it less electrophilic than formaldehyde but more than acetophenone. Step 4. Order of reactivity. 2. Formaldehyde, I. Acetaldehyde, 3. Acetophenone. Step 5. Why other options fail? A. I to 3. Incorrect, because formaldehyde is less hindered and more electrophilic than acetaldehyde, so 2 should be more reactive than I. C. To 3. I. Incorrect, because acetophenone 3 is a ketone with greater steric and electronic deactivation than acetaldehyde, I. Hence I3, not 3I. D. I3 2. Incorrect for the same reasons as A and C. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.